Imagine this. Your trusty Roku, that unassuming little box humming away on your shelf, suddenly rendered as obsolete as a flip phone. Or picture Apple dropping not just another gadget, but a full-on siege on your entertainment setup. One that turns a sleepy Apple TV into a powerhouse lurking in plain sight. The version collecting dust in your cabinet. The one that's felt a bit too pricey for what it does, is on the verge of transforming into something ferocious. We've sifted through a torrent of fresh leaks on the 2025 Apple TV 4K, and trust me, this isn't some minor tweak. It's a seismic shift. Apple is gearing up to storm your home theater like never before, with a blueprint so bold it borders on audacious. For so long, they watched Roku and Amazon scoop up the affordable end of the market without much fight back. But this latest iteration wipes the slate clean. No incremental upgrades here. We're diving into a processor that could go toe-to-toe with a gaming console, an AI that truly gets your viewing habits, and a sticker price engineered for one brutal purpose: to crush the rivals. I pored over supply chain whispers, dissected analyst breakdowns, and chased down every credible tip from the inside, stitching it all into the unvarnished truth. This is Apple's stealthy blueprint for dominating the connected home, and today, we're peeling back every layer. It's the tale of how they're set to dismantle the streaming device world as we know it. What grabs you most about this potential overhaul? The power play or the price? Hit the comments and share your take right now. Straight to the heart of it all, the powerhouse driving this upheaval. The 2025 Apple TV is poised to pack the A17 Pro chip, the very same beast that supercharged the iPhone 15 Pro with ray trace graphics on a smartphone. Pause for a second and let that marinate. What earthly reason does a set-top box have for that kind of muscle? It's not about snappier animations or quicker app loads. No, this is Apple's gauntlet thrown down to the gaming giants. They've been circling the console arena for years, chipping away at barriers. And now, this is their knockout punch. Armed with the A17 Pro, that sleek black hue will handle full-fledged, high-stakes titles, not casual mobile romps, but epics like Resident Evil remakes, Death Stranding's haunting vistas, or the shadowy pursuits in Assassin's Creed. It's their clever infiltration tactic. What seems like a humble streamer is actually smuggling a PlayStation-caliber rig into your downtime den, all without a whisper. Yet that raw horsepower extends far beyond virtual battlefields. It's a spark for something even sharper. This chip isn't just entry-level. It's the gateway to seamless, on-device Apple Intelligence tailored for your screen. Suddenly, those sluggish smart TVs gathering cobwebs in stores start to seem downright dim. Ditch the plodding Siri of old. Envision a foresight-filled companion that grasps the full scene. Picture hitting pause mid-film and not just querying, "Who's that on screen?" but layering in, "Remind me where else I've caught her, and does my spouse have any of her flicks queued up in our shared list?" It dives into your viewing logs, syncs with family patterns, rifles through your collections, and delivers spot-on insights in a flash. Or try this. Hunt down a gripping 90s thriller with solid reviews that I haven't binged yet, but dial back the intensity since the little ones might wander in. This is a reactive tech. It's intuitive, molding to your moods and rhythms, rendering every other app's clunky navigation a relic from the dial-up era. The A17 Pro unleashes it all, flipping the script on what a TV companion can be. Of course, even the mightiest engine sputters on clogged highways. So let's tackle the traffic jam, those endless buffers and stuttery delays that ruin the vibe. Apple's counterpunch? A leap to Wi-Fi 7, positioning this box among the pioneers of the standard. This goes beyond mere speed bumps. It's a total redesign of how your gear talks to the world. Swap out today's Wi-Fi for a jammed country lane, where everyone's squeezing through. Now upgrade to a sprawling expressway with dedicated paths across frequencies. The payoff hits hard. For those blockbuster games we just unpacked, expect glitches-free immersion, with lag so negligible it mimics a hardwired setup. Streaming? It yanks in pristine, uncompromised 4K feeds or primes for 8K down the line, without a single hiccup, leaving your broadband plan as the sole choke point. It's overkill today, sure, but tomorrow's bandwidth feast will thank them. Now, the crown jewel, the twist that's got the competition sweating bullets. A built-in front camera, staring straight back at you. Surface level, It's a slam dunk for FaceTime. No more balancing a wobbly phone on the coffee table for family catch-ups. Instead, vivid chats bloom across your wall-size display, voices booming clear as day. But dig deeper, and this lens is the watchful sentinel for a savvier HomeKit ecosystem. Gesture commands become effortless, a flick of the wrist to skip scenes or silence the roar. Above all, it's about knowing you. Settle into your spot, and it clocks your face, flips to your custom setup. Your tailored cue, mid-game progress, binge suggestions honed just for you. Your significant other joins. It reads the room, blending tastes on the fly for shared vibes. This seals the deal, crowning the Apple TV as the unchallenged nerve center, the intuitive core weaving your whole smart setup together. Hold up, let's pull it all into focus. A gaming-grade A17 Pro thumper, an AI wizardry that's eerily attuned, next-gen Wi-Fi 7 links that laugh at lag, a clever camera tying it into your home's pulse. Ballpark this beast at $250? Maybe $300 tops? Think again. Here's the dagger twist. The leak that redefines ruthless. Word from the sharpest forecasters, like the unflappable Ming-Chi Kuo. Zeros and on $99. Yeah, you heard that right. $99 flat. This is the masterstroke, the end game flourish. At that entry point, it's no longer elite gear. It's a populist predator, laser focused on gutting Roku's domain and Amazon's foothold. Apple's not hawking hardware. They're staking claim to your couch-side universe. Content to break even on the box if it locks you into their web of arcade adventures, TV plus marathons, intelligence perks, and fitness flows. That $50 Fire Stick, it shrinks to a kid's gadget. The $100 Roku Ultra, a fossil overnight. Hands down, Apple's boldest swing in ages. So let's name it plain. The 2025 Apple TV 4K is an evolution. It's a stealth raid, a stealth console, a prescient AI oracle, the synaptic hub of your wired world, all cloaked in a no-frills $99 streamer shell. The yawn-inducing old guard? Buried. This successor is a predator in waiting. Upgrade isn't a debate anymore. It's about how swiftly the old guard can scramble a defense. Because from here, their playbook looks threadbare. But I got one burning query for you. Does that $99 tag scream dream come true, or is it the slyest power grab we've seen from Cupertino in years? Spill your hunch below. What's your read on Apple's endgame? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.